Hi guys, Josh and Josh from Josh848. Today I'm showing you guys how to make this. You're wondering what it is? Oh no. What it is? It's a puzzle box. Not how to make it. Show you guys how to open it and what it is. It's just my Lego puzzle box. So, I'm gonna try. Yeah. So, okay. Are you eating fruit? Here's a grape. That's nice. And here is a strawberry. And it's also nice. First, I bet, I'm showing you right now. I bet there with my fingers, just like that. The key comes in. Should be like that. So, we can put it in that bit. Push it. This is me pushing it. This is me pushing it. And a tree comes in. What I'm putting in it is my Lego Minecraft swords. I've got an iron one. So yeah. Basically how to make. So yeah. Bunch of other stuff. Make sure you watch my video on how to make. Make sure you get to watch my video on how to build Lego Order of the Stone characters from Minecraft Story Mode. So yeah, it's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. The next video will be how to make the Minecraft Story Mode characters. But anyway, see you guys next video.